totally have that. And these are not new challenges, like community builders, operators, founders have been dealing with these challenges for decades, for so many years. And there are proven strategies and frameworks that literally solve those problems. But it's about getting the right dominoes in place so that when you push them over, they all just go and fall into line. And so really understanding what the pain point is that you are solving, and then bringing that into this 10-day challenge, and also realizing that you've got to set some expectations. We're probably not going to solve all of your exact pain points in 10 days. Your business is probably not going to be running without you for 12 months in 10 days. Like, really set that expectation of what you're here to do in the next 10 days, and what Chaos is here to do is to expose you to the learning, the methodology, learn from all of each other of what good looks like. And then that is basically then the stepping stone for the rest of the year to understand in implementation.